You wait. You will see you. Yung notebook. Ito yung mga parinin ko kagabi. Hi, Gabi. You need to put names. You go to your... This one stays in the bathroom. Huh? If you need to change clothes, if you get wet or you get too dirty, you have this in the bathroom. Okay? This is your name. And yours is the owl. Color green. Okay? And we're going to put the 3. No, this one is for the... Huh? This one is for the... This one is for the shoes. It's a train. Choo choo! Jaga 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 jaga. Choo choo! For the train. For the shoes. And then these 3 in case you need to change.
Change?
Yeah. Oh. 1, 2, e 3. There you go. This goes inside your change of clothes. Second day of school ng aming baby. And ayaw niyang pumasok kanina. Buti na lang ngayon okay naman. Kami ay bibili ng brioche dahil nag-request siya. So ayun. Good luck mamaya. You need mama? See?